Going from undergraduate to postgraduate was slightly different for me because I had a year out. Once I returned, apart from the expect of having to just recap on academic skills essentially, the transition between undergraduate and postgraduate was really quite interesting. It was a lot more dense, it was a lot more rich, there was a lot more I can gain out, and it was very specific to my subject interest. So I wanted to make sure that I was prepared for it and able to engage straight away with what is essentially a year of study. Someone going from undergraduate to a postgraduate, I don't think it should be chosen just because you can do it. I think it should be chosen because you want to do it. I think that's one of the main things. You can start to refine your areas of interest, and that's the most exciting thing. There's often going to be a master's that will enable you to specify your area of interest.